Hello everyone. This poem is specially dedicated to India Sari Challenge. Yes, I have already shared this in a written form. Here I am going to recite it. Yes, it includes I think more than 10 to 15 deities names. So I have asked earlier also to mention your name and write in the comment section that have you got your name, is it there? So because the number of ladies are more than 25,000 I think in this group, so it's not easy for me to include everyone's name, so sorry for that. But those who are I thought that I know them personally, somehow I am attached with them or know them, so I have included their names. I tried to include the maximum names. Let's see. So in every paragraph there is name of a lady, or I think two. Let's see. It's interesting and full of love. एक गीत मिला, एक राग मिला, हंसता खिलता सा बाग मिला, नारी शक्ति की उत्तेजना, नई चेतना, नया अनुराग मिला, आभूषणों से अलंकृत निशा मिली, सपनों से सुसज्जित अनुवाद मिला, कुछ करने की प्रेरणा मिली, नई आशा, नई संवेदना मिली, पूजा की अनुपम पवित्रता मिली, ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद मिला, पूनम वाली रात मिली, सुरभित रश्मि सा आज मिला, सूरज की अतुल्य किरणें कहीं, सौंदर्य का अनुपम ताज मिला, मृदुल सुनहरी उषा की रचना मिली, सरस्वती की वीणा का संवाद मिला, जीवन की अलभ्य कल्पना मिली, सुर और संगीत का साज मिला, जोड़े में शर्मीली दुल्हन मिली, संध्या की आभा का उन्माद मिला, शालीन रजनी की प्रतिमा मिली, मधु का मीठा रसपान मिला, पवित्र ईश्वर की वंदना मिली, आराध्यों को प्रेम प्रसाद मिला, बढ़ता है स्त्री का सौंदर्य अति रमणीय मनोरम साड़ियों से, सजता है देवदूती का आंगन अतुल्य अनुपम नारियों से. Thank you so much. So Atul Anupam, yes, I am talking about all the incredible ladies. All the ladies in Indian Sari Challenge are amazingly talented. Undoubtedly, they are awesome. So yes, I know I have mentioned few names. It's not actually all, but I tried my best to write for you all. Will write further more. वेल आई होप आपको पसंद आई होगी कविता, और इसमें मेरी फीलिंग्स जो इंडिया सारी चैलेंज के लिए है वो भी है. लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट to all the members of India Sari Challenge, and thanks to as you have given me this opportunity to write something for you all, and I have already got a very good response from everyone already, but let's see. So I'm sharing it again, hoping for the best. Want to add many more. Let's see what we can do further. Thank you so much. Keep motivating, keep blessing.